logo looks blurry every time you upload it to Shopify? You don't need to worry because today we will talk about the steps you can follow to avoid blurry logo on your Shopify store. So right now, I'm gonna show you on how to upload your logo with the correct size and file format. To resize your logo, you can use Photoshop, Procreate, and Canva, or if you have other software or editor that you can use. Right now, I am going to use a Canva Pro or paid account, so I can save the logo with a transparent background. So what is the best logo size for Shopify? A safe recommended size is 500 by 200 pixels, just to make your logo sharp, but you can still adjust the size on Shopify theme. So let's proceed with the step. On your Canva app, select Create, and then Custom Size, and put 500 by 200 pixel, then create new design. After that, import or upload the existing logo file that you have. So for example, I'm gonna upload this. And then after uploading the file, select the file, resize it. And then after resizing your logo, go to background remover or BG remover. Then wait for a couple of seconds. So after that, your logo is now separated from the background. After that, go to Share, Download, choose File, PNG, Size, Maximum, and then Transparent Background. Then press Download. You now have the correct file size and format for your logo. So if you follow those important steps, your logo will stay clear and sharp every time. In the next video, I'm going to show you the simple steps on how to upload your logo to Shopify. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below. And if you have any question, feel free to leave us a comment. Goodbye!